Hey, do you want to learn how to find ChatGPT keyboard shortcuts? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get to it. Currently, I'm on the webpage of ChatGPT. This is chatgpt.com, and on it, on the bottom left, you're going to find your user icon. Click on it, then click on Help, and you're going to find keyboard shortcuts here. Click here, and you're going to find this pop-up with all the keyboard shortcuts that there are available. From these shortcuts, I like using Search Chat and Open New Chat. There's also a keyboard shortcut in order to open that pop-up. To do it, you need to press both of these keys together, Control and the backslash, which is also called slash. So press it both of them together at the same time, and then it's going to open up on the left-hand side. If you're on Mac, you need to press the Command key instead of Control key. And yeah, that's it. That's how to find ChatGPT keyboard shortcuts on PC and laptop. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more ChatGPT related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.